Hi, this is Goyo Meditation Planet. I'm going to introduce you to a 1-minute meditation that you can do right where you are. You can start anytime and anywhere you are, on the subway or in the middle of a meeting. Close your eyes as you are now. If you have difficulty of concentrating because your surroundings are distracted and your mind is complicated, or if you want to feel yourself better, place your right palm on your chest. Then, breathe slowly and deeply 3 times. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Feel the movement of the chest with the palm of your hand and follow whether the breath you inhale goes to your stomach or chest. Letting go of your desire to do better, just focus on the sensations you feel between breathing in and out. If you can spend more than a minute, feel your breathing deeper. Focusing on your breathing can empty your head full of thoughts once. When your mind is calm and your thoughts and feelings are organized, you can make appropriate judgments. This is a short meditation that you can do anytime, anywhere, when your brain needs a reset.